This is just a follow-up video from yesterday. This is my e-bike. I built it, I designed the bits, I've spent a lot of money on this, I've spent a lot of time on it, and this is just an overview. I've been working on a BMS, which has got the display there, the power switch, main power breaker is there. Here is the balance ports, main power ports and the balance ports. This is a master socket, master plug, or it will be anyway, that goes into there. And then when I want to charge it, I just put the what sits into there. There's also an auxiliary charge port which is there. Sorry about the tape. That's 72 volts, so I just need to take a small 72 volt charger with me. That one there is because I've got an onboard battery to power the Arduino that does the display. I'll try and explain it at a later date why. So it's all done. Well, no, it's not done. The design's there and there's a lot of work to be done on it still. I owe people an explanation of what's gone down in the last couple of weeks. Oh God, I'm getting so many messages. I had 140 emails yesterday when I woke up this morning, sorry. I was getting a lot of death threats off people. 50% of them weren't in this country, 50% were. The wording of these death threats, I mean, it doesn't bother me, you know, I'll just shrug it off and delete the comments. But the other day somebody posted my address in one of the comments and said, I know where you live. Well, I've got a message to that person. You know where I live. Come round and see me and we'll have a chat. You have been reported to the police and you don't scare me. So I'm going to be still making videos of that because that's my passion, that's my hobby, that's what I enjoy, and bollocks to you who don't like it. If you don't like it, don't watch it.